So much fun on playing the Switch 2 on the little screen, but it's time to get it on the big screen, and I'll show you how easy it is to connect the Switch 2 to your TV. On the docking station, remove the back cover. Here you will find the AC adapter port, HDMI port, and the Ethernet port for faster internet connection. Plug in the power adapter. Now plug in the HDMI cable in the switch and plug the other end into your TV HDMI port. When you switch on the console, it should automatically appear on your TV, otherwise you have to configure through your HDMI channels. In settings, there are various features you can configure. So just make sure you are satisfied with their settings. And happy gaming, guys. Peace.